Hey, it's Andrew with Front Range CNC. Today we're going to be talking about support. This would be during the sale as well as after the sale. At Front Range, we try to work with you really closely during the sale process. Admittedly, we want to make sure that we're going to be a good fit for you, and we want to make sure that you'll be a good fit for us as well. And we want to make sure we're setting clear expectations and understanding what you're cutting, how much of it you're cutting, what kind of speeds you're doing now, and even just if you don't have a CNC, where you want to be. We think if we can understand those expectations in terms of where you want to be, then we can give you the best advice as to how to reach that spot. The support during the sale, though, is very important in terms of just learning about your process, how you want to do things, what your knowledge and experience is. And you don't need any CNC experience to buy a Front Range CNC machine. We can help you with all of that, whether it's software or tooling or fixturing, how to run the machine efficiently, how to improve your cycle time. Leave that to us. Lean on us for help, and we can help you get on the right foot. For support after the sale, it's free to call in. If you really need something and a tech needs to go out, we have options for that as well. We can have techs be anywhere in the United States fairly quick. And if you do need something, it's really simple for us to do that. We've got parts, spare pumps, all that kind of stuff here in Colorado, and it's simple for us to get something sent to you right away. Fortunately with the routers and especially the introduction of things like TeamViewer and Zoom, we can remote into your machine and see what you're seeing, as well as remote into your computer where you're doing the programming and look at it and help you on that end also. So we really want to be a good resource for you as you are using the machines. It's our opinion, if we can help you get a really good foundation and get a good understanding of how to draw apart, program apart, pick the tools, load it in the machine, and then run, we think that saves a lot of questions for you along the way and helps you get to cutting faster. So any support that you need, again, after the sale is all simple phone call. We're happy to help. We've got people here ready to answer your questions. We maintain USA hours, so feel free to call us, during mountain time. Send us an email if you've got questions about it, or maybe you're just wanting to know more about us. Feel free to send us an email, and we'll be happy to talk to you and give you more info. Thanks so much, and hope this helped.